Hello everyone. My name is Linda Pramo, and today I will present my summary of paper title Risk Assessment and Risk Management. Basically, this paper review the late develop in how we assess and manage risk from the concept, the uncertainty, all the way future challenge. I've summarized the key points into this presentation. So let's get started. Introduce. Risk assessment is actually not something new back to 2400 years ago. The Athenians were already doing it before making a big decision, but as a formal science, it's only around 30 to 40 years old. The core princip- principles have not changed too much, but the method keep getting more advanced. The risk field and the science. The risk fields is basically how has two main jobs. The first one is assessing specific risks, like how safe an oil platform is. Second, doing generic research to develop theories and methods that can be used across different industry. Okay, next slide is science, knowledge, and decision making. When we making risk-based decision, there's a model that separate fact from values. The data builds the knowledge base. Risk evaluation then adds value and judgment. But ultimately, the final call stay with the decision maker. Next slide is risk conceptualization. Okay. Interestingly, there's no single agree definition of risk. The Society of Risk Analysis try to accommodate our perspective in their glossary. Uh, Risk can mean the probability of something bad happening, uncertainty about outcome, or deviation from a reference value. And to measure about it, people use metrics like probably times consequence or triplets like scenario, probability, and consequence. And then the next slide is uncertainty in risk assessment. So in this slide was the core of the risk. There is two type of the risk assessment. The first one is aleatory, which is naturally variation you can control. You cannot control, sorry. Like rolling a dice. And the second one is epistemic in uncertainty. And this this is comes from lack of knowledge and can be reduced. Subjective probably is the main tool, but it's not reliable when our background knowledge is so weak. Okay, and then the next slide is risk management principles and strategies. There was three main of strategy for management risk. The first one is risk informant. You avoid, reduce, transfer, or keep the risk based on the assessment. The second one is cautionary. You can take preventive action uh red like redundancy, or flexible design, especially when like uncertainty is high. And the final is this curve. You build trust through transparency and public engagement. Okay, the next slide is key concept in risk management. There are also four important concepts here. The first one is the personally principles. It say if consequence could be serious, act even without full evidence. The next one is robustness. Is a system ability to handle worst case scenario. The third one is resilience. It's about recovering and adapt after disruption. And the final one is deep uncertainties. Yeah, our situation where model fail and data just doesn't exist, like with climate change. Okay, the next slide is surprise, risk criteria, and integrative perspective. Black swan is a term from a tale. It's a metaphor for major surprise no one saw coming. On risk criteria, even criticize the common practice of using fixed probability limits because it ignore the strength of knowledge and shift focus from finding the best solution to just a passing number. And for the big picture, Evan pushed for integrating traditional approaches with resilience and anti-fragility system that actually get stronger from shocks. And then the next slide is the future of risk assessment and management. The future of risk assessment is moving from trying to predict accurately toward characterizing what we know and don't know. The main challenge ahead are emerging risks with little historical data, complex systems like cybersecurity, infrastructure, and decisions that will affect future generations. Okay, the next slide is conclusion. So there is a three key takeaways. The first, the scientific foundation of risk assessment still has weakness. The second one is equating risk with just probability or expected value oversimplified. Yeah. And we need integrative research that combines concepts uncertainty, robustness, and resilience. The third, the final, there is a growing renew interested in this fundamental question, which is a good sign for the field. And okay, that's all for me, maybe. And thank you so much for you guys to listening my present. If you guys have any question, just ask because it's feel too free for us. Uh, okay. Yeah. See you later. Bye bye.